अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम टू द सेकेंड बुक ऑफ मैथ्स फॉर नर्सरी एंड वी हैव डन सो मेनी थिंग्स टिल नाउ। और क्या था हमारा लास्ट लेसन? जी, हमने पढ़े थे दो नंबर्स। कौन से नंबर्स थे वो? जी, 21 एंड 22। अच्छा जी, आज हमने पढ़ने हैं नेक्स्ट टू नंबर्स। जी, आज का हमारा नंबर है 23। Here is 23 and here how we are going to make 23? आप मुझे बताएंगे how many tens and how many units are going to make 23? Shabash, you can do it. Yes, 2 tens and 3 units. 2 tens are going to make 20 and 3 units 21, 22 and 23. जी, तो 2 tens and 3 units are going to make 23. Okay, what comes after 23? क्या आता है? What is the next number? जी, it's 24. And again you are going to tell me which two numbers, how we are going to write 24. How many tens and units are there? So, how many tens are there? Gee, there are 2 tens, 10 and 20. And how many units? Yes, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Isn't it interesting, my dear kids? Yes, this is how you can make different numbers. और अभी हम right now we are going to see numbers from 20 till 30. और आज का हमारा lesson है 23 and 24. Let's quickly see our workbooks page. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये है हमारा आज का पेज। Oh my God, what a colorful page and so many interesting things are here. Vegetables and fruits. Okay, so with 23, there is a boy again telling that how many tens or units are there and which we have already discussed. लेकिन हम यहाँ पे book पे भी देखते हैं और discuss करते हैं. So on the top right, he is telling that 2 tens and 3 units are going to make 23. Here you can see the blocks. So 2 groups of 10 and 3 units are going to make 23. Now, under the number 23, there are some carrots. Yes, yummy and nutritious carrots are here. Let's count them and then you have to write how many carrots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22 and 23. So my dear kids, you have to write 23 in this empty box given. Okay, what's the next number? 24. Here again it is telling that 2 tens and 4 units are going to make 24. So here you can see the rods. 2 rods of 10 and 4 units are going to make 24. And here are some apples. You have to count and write. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23 and 24. So what are you going to write in this empty box? G, you are going to write 24 here. So there is a point for teachers here. Guide the students to trace and write the numbers 23 and 24 with their correct number formation. Use pictures or drawings to represent the numbers 23 and 24. Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, today we have done the next two numbers 23 and 24. So help the students in writing these two numbers but with correct number formation. And secondly, help them in practicing the numbers using tens and units resource. Instructions for parents. Dear parents, आज हमने पढ़े हैं अगले दो numbers 23 and 24. Help them in writing these two numbers along with the concept of tens and units. You can help them by drawing the two sets of tens and 4 units. They can count them and they can write them. And after some time, encourage them to make tens and units blocks themselves. ये बच्चे खुद भी tens के groups और units बना सकते हैं by easily making the squares. पहले उन्हें थोड़ी सी हेल्प चाहिए होगी, लेकिन once they understand, they will practice every day. They can easily make tens and units and then they can count the numbers. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का लेसन. और क्या सीखा हमने सीखे अगले दो नंबर्स जो कि थे 23 and 24. हम दोबारा मिलेंगे एक नए एक्साइटिंग लेसन के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.